Whoop whoop. What's up, fam? Welcome back to another episode of the Juggalo Fishing Posse. Coming at you again is your host, the bluegill slasher, the carp wrangler, the fishing hater strangler, the southeast side southern sweaty nuts dangler, slash gills coming at you. Today, guys, we're gonna go explore a creek. It's a creek that runs relatively close to my house here, but it's a really long creek. There's multiple parts of it, but it's called Big Generostee Creek, and we're going to be going to the 187 side where the bridge crosses over, and it's right there near where I think Lucas Creek, Weems Creek, Beaver Creek, and Generostee Creek all kind of like intertwine and mingle, like right here near this one crossing or focal point. But we're going to be trying a little bit there, and using our little Zebco Dock Demon that I recently picked up. Going to be trying it. Simple stuff, little bitty micro lures, little probably some crappy magnet jig heads or something with maybe some nightcrawler. Really simple stuff. See what we can get a hold of. There's really no telling, but I'm in a explorative mood, so we're gonna go check out a new place today. I know I've been telling you guys that we're gonna have a catfishing episode here, and I've got very little time, guys. I work a full-time job. I've got 3 kids, and a wife. Like, it's hard juggling, this channel and all of my responsibilities. It's really difficult trying to do that, but so that's why I'm not really on a schedule here. My uploads are just whenever, wherever, whatever I can do, whenever I can work on it. Trying to work through a lot, juggle everything. It's a pain in the ass. Anyway, I've tried doing some catfish trips, but all of these locations that we keep going to ends up being a bust. Like, absolutely terrible. We went the other day, me and Sir Maticus, went below the dam, 2 different areas actually, and fished for hours in the evening. But the bite is just locked down. It is just terrible. The fish don't want anything. All this heat, the water temperature is absolutely terrible. Just terrible. And it's hard to catch anything. It's hard to catch anything right now, but we're going to go check out some creeks, some cooler water, hopefully a little bit more active fish. Unfortunately, probably some smaller fish, but we'll take what we can get right now. It's not really the size of the fish that counts. It's just the love of going out there and catching them. I don't know what motivates you guys to go out there and catch fish, but me, it's just the love of doing it. It could be a tiny little minnow to a giant largemouth bass. I'm happy as long as I'm out there exploring stuff, finding new bodies of water, breaking them down. I like doing stuff like that. I encourage every one of you guys, always, get out, do the same. Put a pole in your hand, get out there and do it. Catch some fish. Anyway, guys, gonna head on down to the creek. I will catch you guys there. Peace. If I can get down here without busting my ass, that would be great. And you guys probably can't hear it, but there's a pack of coyotes just the other side of that tree line. I did not sleep well. Got up early. Shit my brains out. Oh, puking my brains out. So if a coyote wants to wrangle with me today, he's gonna get his money's worth, because I'm not in the mood. I guess it's time to get our feet wet. This is a really pretty spot, guys. Let's get my dock demon undone here. There we go. Alright. Good old-fashioned nightcrawler. Alright. Just gonna go ahead and carry the worms with me. Why the hell not? That's why I put my phone down. End up busting my ass out here real bad. Alright. See what we end up finding. Okay, see, that's a little bit deeper than I expected. Found another rock. Try casting over here from this angle. Whoops. Oh, there's something. Well, we got creek chub. That's exactly what it was. I told you guys, I knew it. Little creek chub. Just hold him where you can see him. They're feisty little buggers. Pretty though. Let's get him released. Slimy little dude. think that's a new one on the show now. Don't think we've had creek chubs as of yet. Well, alright. That's one way to do it. Alright, second little creek chub for the day. Let's let him go. Awesome stuff. Just gonna slowly try to maneuver my way around without dying. Alright, rock, please don't be slippery. Alright, this is a nice, yeah, this is the nice side of it here. I guarantee you it'll be a lot nicer. Okay, let's get us a piece of worm. Where's my worms? There you are. It's alright, worm, chill. I'm just tearing you in half. God, act like it's a big deal. What we got? Sunfish? Yep. Little red breast sunfish. Or pumpkin seed. Maybe. I'm never 100% sure of the species difference, but really pretty fish nonetheless. Whoa, okay. Easy release. He releases himself. Yeah, I got that one way up on the bank. What do we got? Another little guy. Saw him feeding off the top of the water over there. Pretty guy. I saw him pop a bug off the top of the water. I was like, there you are. Sight fishing for bluegills. Little bitty peckerhead. That one wasn't. Well, I count that. I count that. That totally counts. That was the prettiest damn sunfish ever, but I only catch a glimpse of him. Rough conditions to walk in down here. All right. Ooh. Let's get. What is going on here? Exactly like what is going on? There we go. This right here will help me keep a much better grip on these freaking fish. Alright. Phone's in the backpack. Wait. Gotta stay hydrated. Always important. All right. What we got here? These are pretty bright colored guys, man. Oh. Alright, let's get a release on this guy. Alright, we're back in action. GoPro battery died on me. Alright, let's get back to not being able to cast worth a shit. What we got? Little bitty dude. What do we got here? I think another creek chub. Yep. Easy there, creek chub. Got him right through his snout. Hello there, creek chub. Another creek chub, guys. Pretty little fish. There he goes. Dang. Fucking up my bobber. Ugh, another creek chub. Popping them in the mouth. Little creek chub. Let's let him go. Thanks for playing, little guy. So much fun. I don't care what anybody says. I can sit here and catch creek chubs all day. Batteries are running low, guys. It's about to die, so I'm gonna catch you guys later. After this last cast for no reason. Anyway, peace out, family. Catch y'all next time. And real quick, guys, we're gonna get in today's subject of real talk. Today's real talk topic is always remember, be yourself. Because it's not the face paint that makes the Juggalo. It's the mentality and the heart that beats below. The face paint is something we put on. It's the persona, it's the clown that everybody makes us out to be. And we claim that proudly. But up under that is a real person with a real life, with real feelings, with real dreams. My desire and my dream is to fish. Don't have to hide behind a mask. Always be yourself. Whoop whoop, fam.